This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and tonight I'm going to be making a chocolate bundt cake. We're going to need 1 3/4 cup flour, a cup of strong coffee, 3/4 cup baking cocoa, a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. So let's get started. We're going to butter our bundt pan. You can use cooking spray or oil. We're going to combine our 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup cocoa, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 3/4 cup flour. We're going to whisk these ingredients together. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. We have a cup of coffee, a cup of buttermilk, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix this with a hand mixer for 2 minutes. Now we're going to pour our batter into our bundt cake pan. Now it's time to put our cake in the oven. We're going to bake our cake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. I've taken our cake out of the oven and now I'm going to let it cool for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take a butter knife and run it gently around the edges of our cake. Now I'm going to take my serving plate and put it on top of our cake pan and turn it upside down. Wow, this looks amazing. It smells really good. Now we're going to dust our bundt cake with powdered sugar. This cake looks magnificent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.